is there any condition that we should start Shawwal fasting from second day itself, or we can keep any 6 days in this month? Please clarify. So that which seems apparent is that the 6 days of Shawwal can be any time within the month. So it doesn't have to be 6 consecutive days, and you don't have to be back to back. You're allowed to fast any of those 6 days of Shawwal in this month, because the hadith says man sama Ramadan thumma atba'ahu sittan min Shawwal. You see, min Shawwal means from Shawwal, so it can be any of those days of Shawwal, inshallah ta'ala. Yeah, and the condition, inshallah ta'ala, is to finish before Shawwal leaves.